Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch your recent video clips when you're playing on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I'm playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and I want to go ahead and watch a recent video clip that I saved. And maybe this could be like some sort of like kill that you executed or something, and you want to go ahead and show it to your friends via a Snapchat. Well, it's very easy to rewatch those video clips. Now on your PlayStation controller, there is a share button. If you go ahead and tap this, you can bring open this screen where you can save your recent gameplay, and you can save like the last 15 seconds all the way up to the last 30 minutes. So let's say the last 1 minute, and the video clip will now be on display in the far left side of the screen. Now all we have to do is select this with X, and we can open this up. Now we can go to the video clip and we can watch it, and we can cycle through the most recent clips, the last 15, by pressing R1, and we can see other video clips on here as well. So here are me playing like Warzone. I saw Apex Legends. Let's go to 1 of 15, which is the most recent one. We can press on this, and it will make it larger. And we can actually see what I was doing now. If I press up on the D-pad, I can go to the timeline, and I can cycle through this. So let's say I was engaged in combat right here. I can play it from that specific time point. So I can literally see what I just played at any point in time. And I can save it, and I can send it to my friends. So there's an option to share it. Then you can go to edit. Then you can heart it or delete it. So a lot of times I go ahead and delete the clip if nothing really came out of it. Maybe it was like something like a hacker or something in the lobby, and I just wanted to go ahead and verify that the person wasn't hacking. I can delete the clip afterwards. So if I go to edit now, nice thing is I can trim it. So if I only want to save like 15 seconds of the clip, I can go to start trim here. And then I can end the clip over here and go to end here. Then I can go to save, and I can replace the original clip or save as a new clip. So I'm going to replace the original and just save over it. Now, what I could do, I could share this to one of my parties. So let's go over to share now, since I have the clip that I just saved. So let's go to share, go to OK. And I can share it to YouTube, I can share it to Twitter, and here are some other parties I can share it with. So let's send it to one of my friends, Action 6. Send in a message, and go to send. Now, if I press the PlayStation button, go to the game base, go to my messages, I can see it's sending the video clip to my friend. And he will go ahead and be able to see this on the PlayStation mobile application, or when he's on the PlayStation 5, he will be able to see this video clip that I sent them. Now, sometimes it does take a little bit of time for it to actually upload and process. So it's not like an instant thing. So it could take like 5 to 10 minutes before the person can actually see it. So a lot of times I just use Snapchat to send any kind of video clips to a friend. So it's very easy to save your recent gameplay and then rewatch it on your PlayStation 5. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.